The world of dinosaurs is full of surprises. Just when we think we know the past, a new discovery changes everything. 66 million years ago, Africa was isolated by deep oceans, home to its own unique giants. But in Morocco's phosphate mines, we've found something unexpected. A small, duck-billed dinosaur named Minqaria bata. Its name, meaning duck beak in Arabic, fits perfectly for a hadrosaur, a group thought to be absent from Africa. Finding a hadrosaur here is like finding a kangaroo in Scotland. It challenges everything we thought we knew about dinosaur distribution. This fossil forces us to rethink how dinosaurs moved and adapted to changing worlds. Our team at the University of Bath has spent years sifting through Morocco's phosphate beds, where land animal fossils are rare treasures. The discovery began with just a few skull fragments, but their shape was unmistakable, a duck-billed dinosaur, related to those in far-off lands. Minqaria bata isn't just another fossil, it's a key to understanding ancient life's ability to cross barriers. This pony-sized dinosaur rewrites a chapter of Earth's history, showing that life finds a way, even across vast oceans. The Late Cretaceous world was more dynamic and interconnected than we ever imagined. Each land-dweller fossil from these beds is a precious clue to the final days of the dinosaurs. Minqaria's story is about survival, adaptation, and the unexpected journeys of life. It reveals that even in isolation, Africa's ecosystems were shaped by global connections. This discovery is a reminder: the past is full of surprises, and every new fossil can change our view of history. Join me as we explore the life of Minqaria bata and what it means for our understanding of the ancient world. The journey of this little dinosaur is just beginning. Minqaria bata was no giant, about the size of a modern pony, far smaller than its North American and Asian cousins. Its small size may be an adaptation to island or coastal life, a phenomenon called insular dwarfism. As a hadrosaur, Minqaria was a plant eater, with a broad, keratin-covered beak perfect for clipping vegetation. Behind the beak, hundreds of teeth formed a grinding surface, letting it chew tough plants efficiently. This advanced dental structure helped hadrosaurs thrive in diverse environments. Minqaria belonged to the Lambeosaurini, famous for their hollow, elaborate crests. While we haven't found a complete crest, skull fragments suggest it had one, likely used for communication. These crests could produce loud calls and may have been brightly colored for visual display. The discovery of Minqaria adds a new character to Africa's prehistoric cast, showing it wasn't just a land of giants. Its presence paints a richer, more complex picture of the late Cretaceous ecosystem. Even in the dinosaurs' final days, life was diverse and full of innovation. Minqaria bata's fossils were found in Morocco's phosphate mines, a unique fossil graveyard formed from an ancient sea. These mines are commercial operations, but they've become a treasure trove for paleontologists. Most fossils here are marine, mosasaurs, plesiosaurs, sharks, but land animal remains are rare. Dinosaurs had to be washed out from the mainland, float, and then sink to be preserved. Local miners and fossil collectors are crucial partners, spotting unusual bones among the phosphate layers. When they find something special, our team studies it in the lab, piecing together its story. The Minqaria discovery began with skull fragments, parts of the upper jaw, and brain case. Even these small pieces revealed its identity as a Lambeosaurine hadrosaur. Each fragment is a rare glimpse into the land animals that lived alongside Morocco's sea monsters. This partnership between miners and scientists is vital for uncovering these ancient secrets. Every new fossil from these beds is a window into a lost world. Minqaria bata's story is just one of many waiting to be told. The most startling thing about Minqaria bata is its family tree. Its closest relatives aren't African, they're European from Spain and France. Minqaria belongs to the Arenisaurini, a tribe of Lambeosaurines previously known only from Europe. Finding a European-style duckbill in Africa was a shock, challenging our ideas about ancient geography. Africa was an island continent, separated by deep oceans for millions of years. Its large predators and sauropods were unique, but Minqaria's European ties suggest a recent, improbable crossing. The jaw and skull features are nearly identical to its European cousins. This means their ancestors must have crossed the sea, not by land bridge, but by some extraordinary means. The discovery forces us to rethink ancient continental connections. The Tethys Sea wasn't an absolute barrier. Some animals found a way across. Minqaria opens a new field of inquiry into intercontinental dinosaur journeys. It's a powerful reminder that the past is full of unexpected connections. How did Minqaria bata, a land-dwelling herbivore, cross an ocean from Europe to Africa? Swimming was out of the question for such distances, but nature has another trick: rafting. Powerful storms or tsunamis could rip up chunks of coastline, creating floating islands of vegetation. Small dinosaurs could be stranded on these rafts, surviving on plants and rainwater as currents carried them. Over millions of years, even rare events become possible. A single successful crossing could establish a new population. Minqaria's small size may have helped it survive the journey. Once ashore in Africa, it found new opportunities and fewer competitors. There's no evidence of land bridges at the time, making rafting the most logical explanation. This story is a testament to life's resilience and the role of chance in shaping history. The evidence is circumstantial but compelling: a European dinosaur on African soil, separated by ocean. Minqaria's journey is a dramatic example of how improbable events can change the course of evolution. Minqaria bata's fossils hint at more than just where it lived. They reveal how it lived. As a lambeosaurine, it likely had a hollow crest for producing distinctive sounds. These calls were crucial for communication, keeping herds together, warning of predators, or attracting mates. Each species' crest shape made their calls unique, helping them recognize their own kind. The crests were probably brightly colored, used for visual displays in social interactions. Such features suggest Minqaria was highly social, living in organized groups. Fossils from multiple individuals found together support the idea of herding behavior. Herds offered protection and helped find food and water. Minqaria's story is about a community navigating their world together. Its social life was as complex as any modern herd animal. Ocean crossings on natural rafts sound extraordinary, but we see similar journeys today. The Galapagos Islands' unique animals arrived by rafting, not by flight or swimming. In 1995, green iguanas rafted over 300 kilometers to a new island after a hurricane, establishing a new population. Small mammals like monkeys also crossed oceans millions of years ago, likely on rafts, leading to new evolutionary paths. These modern examples make Minqaria's story believable. Nature is full of incredible survival stories. Most attempts fail, but one success can change everything. Minqaria shows dinosaurs face the same challenges as modern animals, spreading across the globe in remarkable ways. They weren't static monsters but dynamic travelers. The processes shaping life today also shaped the world of the dinosaurs. The discovery of Minqaria bata changes our view of dinosaur diversity and migration in the Late Cretaceous. Africa was thought to be isolated with unique dinosaurs, but Minqaria proves there was exchange with Europe. This suggests Africa's ancient ecosystems were more complex and dynamic than we believed. The arrival of hadrosaurs introduced new competition and opportunities, reshaping the food web. Minqaria is likely just the beginning. More out-of-place fossils may be waiting in Africa. Dispersal is a key evolutionary strategy, especially during times of environmental change. The Late Cretaceous saw fluctuating sea levels and shifting climates. Crossing oceans could be a lifeline. Minqaria's ancestors were accidental pioneers, showing evolution is driven by both adaptation and movement. These discoveries force us to redraw paleogeographic maps, connecting continents in new ways. The Tethys Sea was not an absolute barrier. Life found a way across. The story of the last dinosaurs was global, full of surprising connections. The discovery of Minqaria bata shows how a few small bones can transform our understanding of the past. This pony-sized, duck-billed dinosaur from Morocco reveals a dramatic story of survival and improbable journeys. Its existence forces us to revise our theories about ancient ecosystems and global connections. Minqaria proves that even in the age of dinosaurs, life was dynamic, resilient, and interconnected. Each new fossil adds a chapter to this story, reminding us that discovery is ongoing. Minqaria is more than a new species. It's a symbol of the surprises still hidden in Earth's history. Nature is more capable and surprising than we imagine. The ancient past is waiting to be uncovered, one fossil at a time.